Hi, I'm Janeth Magkawas and I discuss about peripheral interface. What is peripheral interface? It is a device such as cables, network cards, monitor, or keyboard that enables interaction or between computer and another entity. Analog digital interface. To interface two peripherals, one of them is digital and the other one is analog. We have to add analog to digital converter or ADC and digital to analog converter or DAC. Serial parallel interface. To interface two peripherals, one of them is parallel and the second is serial. We have to use parallelizing and serializing stage to connect both of them. Bus system classification. According to function, data bus, control bus, address bus. According to location, internal, direct, ISA, EISA, PCI, AGP, USB, CS, CSI, and IDE, and SATA. According to purpose, general purpose bus, special bus. Internal or direct buses. ISA and EISA. ISA bus or Industry in Standard Architecture. Industry stands for introduced by IBM, was originally an 8-bit bus that was later expanded to a 16-bit bus in 1984. EISA stands for Extended Industry Standard Architecture, was announced on September of 1988. It approves in 32-bit slot at an 8.33 MHz cycle rate for use of 386DX or higher processors. PCI or Peripherals Component Interaction. Introduced by Intel in 1992, revised in 1993 to version 2.0 and later revised in 1995 to PCI 2.1. AGP or Advanced Graphic Port. Introduced by Intel in 1997, is a 32-bit bus designed for the high demands of 3D graphics. 3D graphics. Parallel ATA. The latest version features an 40-pin 80-wire ribbon cables to connect motherboards to drives. Serial ATA. First generation SATA device often operated at best a little faster than parallel ATA. 132 33 device. USB or Universal Serial Bus is a new external bus developed by Intel, Compaq, DEC, IBM, Microsoft, NEC, and Northern Telecom and released to public in 1996 with the Intel 430X HX Triton 2 motherboard. Firewire. The original firewire was faster than USB when it came out. Bluetooth is a proprietary open wireless technology standard for exchanging data over short distance using short wavelength radio transmission in ISM band for 2400 to 2480 MHz from fixed and mobile devices, creating personal area networks or PAN with high level or security. RFID or radio frequency identification is the use of a wireless non-contact system that uses radio frequency electromagnetic field to transfer data from a tag attached to an object. NFC or near field communication is a set of standard for smartphone and similar device to establish radio communication with each other by touching them together or bringing them into close proximity, usually no more than a few centimeters. External or indirect buses. General Purpose Interface Bus or GPIB is more widely used than HP 1B and CIEE 488.2 1187 strength than original standard by defining precisely how controllers and instrument communicate. Standard Command for Programmable Instrument or SCPI took the command structure defined in IEE 488.2 and created a single comprehensive programming command set that is used with any SCPI instrument. CAN bus or Controller Area Network is a vehicle bus standard designed to allow microcontroller and device to communicate with each other within a vehicle without a host computer. Memory system. Memory. As a word implies, memory means that place where we have to store anything. This is very essential for human being, just like memory is also very important for computer system. Memory are classified into two types, primary and secondary. The primary, also known as main memory or internal memory, which is located in motherboard or system, as we say, which is directly connected to the CPU. And it divided into parts, RAM and ROM. RAM stands for random access memory. It stores the data which the user currently use, or as we say, it is stores the data temporarily in it. And RAM classified into two parts, the SDRAM and the DRAM. SRAM is static random access memory. The word static refers that memory retains its content as long as power is supplied, so that why we can say this is volatile in nature. DRAM is dynamic random access memory. It is also contains data only when electricity is available. ROM, read only memory. The word refers mainly it can only read the data which is stored in it. Mainly there are three types of PROM: PROM, EEPROM, and DEEPROM. The PROM is stand for Programmable Read-Only Memory. In this, when the data is stored, then we have no right to change or alter any data to it. EEPROM, Erasable Programmable ROM, as the word refers, erasable means that we can change or erase the data. EEPROM stands for Electrically Erasable Programmable ROM, the type of ROM which can be erased by electrical change. Memory are classified into two types, and secondary memory, the place we where store our personal data in computer system, is known as SM. There are two methods in accessing the data from it: sequential and the direct. Sequential is method in which we search the data sequentially or line by line until you find the desired data. Direct, this is the method in which computer can go directly to the information that the user wants. Magnetic disk, optical disk. Magnetic tape is similar to the tape used in music cassette. Magnetic disk, this is widely used popular storage medium for direct access secondary storage. Some of the magnetic disks are follows: hard disk, floppy disks, and etc. Hard disk, also known as hard drive or fixed drive. This is the place where we store our data or information so that we can retrieve for further use. There are two types of optical disks: CD and DVD. CD or compact disc, mainly used to store data, music, movies, software, and etc. There are two types of CD, the CD-ROM and CD writable. Digital versatile disk is high capacity storage medium, mainly used to store movie, music, software, and etc. Type of DVD, DVD-ROM and DVD rewritable. Thank you for watching and hope you like this video.